Hello everyone, I am Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the topic is dividend decision from the subject is financial management. Let's see the topic is dividend decision, the written profit to shareholders as a dividends in the future growth. Understanding what the drives this decision rewards the complex balancing act between rewarding investors and building long-term value. Next one is what is dividend? There is cover three main things. First one is the pie analog. Next, eating the pie now, save the later. This is the interesting example for the dividend. In this image, a company is like a pie. When the pie is baked, a company make a profit. The owners, shareholders get the dividend. How to use it? Next one is eat the pie now. Pay the dividends to shareholders immediately, giving them a direct return on their investment. The third one is save for later. Save some pie for later to bake more pies for the future growth. This is the interesting sweetest example for the dividend. Next one is why companies pay dividends. For the three categories is there. First one is for the shareholders happiness, second one is attracting investors, the third one is for the strength. First one is like a thank you gift for the investing, dividends reward shareholders for their trust and commitments to the company. Next one is attaching investors. Some investors especially like for companies that pay dividend for their future or existing income. These are all included. The third one is strength of the company. The dividend for a single that they companies are finally healthy and confident about the future progressions. These are all included in this. Next one is profitability and cash flow. There is also have the same pie size. Can the company afford to pay? This is the most common question for the dividend policies. If the company ensure the profit or does not have enough cash on hand, paying dividends is difficult or impossible. Next one is growth opportunities baking more pies. What is the growth opportunities? There is also have the three categories. First one is investment, second one is reinvest, next one is harvest. These main three things is important in this. Next we see the shareholders preference. What is the shareholders preference in this? Important cash needs. Some shareholders want immediate cash flow like rewards, need income to support their lifestyle. Second one is long term growth. Other companies is a revent and growth, hoping the biggest payout layer through capital appropriations. These are all the main things. Next one is other important factors and rules of the game. What are the other important rules and factors should follow in the organization? First one is legal rules, second one is debt arrangements, third one is economic conditions, third one is taxation. These are all the main thing. First one is legal rule. The law and rules and regulations should be followed. The limited how much the company can pay out of the dividend to protect creditors and ensure several. Next one is bank and both shareholders might have the sufficient fund to entire the process and the business, the owners them money. Next one is the economic turnover made the companies more capture about the commitments to regular dividend payment. The last one is the tax compared the capital gain can in focus both the company's decision and investors performance. Next we see the balance act, finding and sweet spot, the profit future plan, shareholders wish list, then rules and regulations. These are all the taking main role in the dividend policy. Thank you.